project. This is 1988 Volkswagen Caddy. It's picked up some rocks, but I'm going to show you around everything so far on it. So, start with the exterior. You can see we've got the awesome 4-bit sticker bomb crap wheels. Now our wheel come off. Absolutely disgusting. Bodywork itself is a bit tired. Go around it, get like a wire. Currently ripped out.
Don't worry about that.
Hole here, lovely. Yeah, all around it. There's a hole on the rear quarter. So in the back we've got the dash that originally come out of it, brand new door cards, bumpers, seal kits, an intake, truck brace that I got given with it. I ain't going on.
That's it, babe. I love the rear. It's so nice.
The only good thing about it, but if you look down here, it looks a bit bent. Like, I could be wrong.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know.
Never done one of these before, so the bed itself is absolutely mint.
It is really good condition, to be fair.
This side
Done really
is
well.
not the best, I'm not gonna lie. Someone has patchworked, and that's the red water. So, front end bumper and everything in the bed. So, different colour wing on it, and a lot of holes on it.
I don't know if I can get down here a bit.
All the way down there, look at that.
Yeah.
Nice.
You've got a replacement though in your bed.
Oh, so if we take a trip into the interior first.
I'm not gonna make people motion sickness, babe. I'm really trying. Needed one of the Campbell's tripods or something.
The interior, as we've got it did have seats in it, everything, but now I've fully stripped everything out because I'm trying to get my head around a Mega Jolt ECU. It's fucking spaghetti wise everything. It's a nightmare. But someone's been in there before, so I'm just trying to really sort everything out, make sure it don't catch fire. It's got a plastic rear windscreen, screens, and crap. Anyway, moving on to the good stuff. This is where I'll be playing around with quite a lot. The truck itself is originally red, so obviously that is proper colour. But this is 2 litre 16 valve AF8 engine. Sure it is, or ABH, some of one of them. Obviously running R1 bike cars. Now I've got an issue at the minute with spark, so I'm literally just working all the way through it as we speak. Apparently the lad who had it before, it was rapid as fuck.
Yeah, he did say it was fast, didn't he? He said it was a monster. What was
Whether
it?
that's a load of shit, I don't know. Half the stuff is not even like connected. I'm only telling the truth. As you can see, the plumbers have already been in, as you can see, look. Lovely plumber work. There's more fantastic.
We'll get there though. It's just a start, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it. It is a G60 engine out of either a Corrado and a Scirocco as well. So I've never worked on these engines before, so I'm learning as I go along with this. These are Recaro seats that originally
I love these.
Will be nicely cleaned up and installed.
I think they're so nice.
Yeah.
It's a bit different from the Polo, isn't it? Well, it's very different from the Polo.
So, a lot more old and a lot more rolls.
Yeah, but...
I've wanted one of these for 8 years. Now I've got one. So happy.
Well, this is it. You're finally here now. This is the little unit as well that we work in. It's a little workspace. It's quite cute. We've got all our tea and coffee. Well, that's my section. Well, it's not my section. It's Fran's section, but my tea and coffee over there. This is really cool. It's a ball thing. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. You've not got a watch on.
We'll start from the back of the bed first. Yeah, we'll go underneath. This is what it says, what you get ideally. So I'm running an R1 pump, obviously for the carburetors. Obviously someone has done some very dodgy shit. They put a shrink wrap over it, but that's not even like put it over the. You know what? Yeah. As you can see, the exhaust is properly on with hangers. You know. Obviously all the bushes. It has got a flipped axle on it as well, so it is lower. The bushes are knackered. This side is crusty, but it is being replaced. As well as it's all going to have brand new brake lines. Obviously, it used to be a 1.6 diesel, but now it's obviously the 2 litre petrol. So obviously it's up the tank and everything all done. And this is where it starts getting interesting. So this. There's a lovely hole, and if you carry on walking all the way down, this is all the stuff I'm going to be cutting out and replacing. Someone's jacked it up in the wrong place there, idiots. So a few patch jobs, and where else is it?
Just up here.
That's it. Now it comes to the holy moly bit. Now I can flip my fingers through this. See if we cut it, make it a Flintstone pattern. I don't.
I like that.
Yeah, so all this is all going to be cut out. As you can see, it's got quick release exhaust. Straight pipe, yo. A few leaks on the engine underneath.
Ow!
Now, I don't know if this is a 4-speed box or not. Not too sure. I've not really had a good play around with it yet. But as you can see, yeah, it's all rusty. Crank sensor wire hanging down. Yeah, so that's the bottom side. Most welding a rock job.
Okay, so my question is for you then. I'll do one. When do you think this will be ready? Let's do a rough estimate, just so then if anyone does actually watch this, they can hold us accountable to it at the shows.
I'm going to say most of the welding is going to be done. To get the chassis properly how I wanted it to be, I'm going to like the job will work quite a lot. So I think it's going to be late next year. It's not going to be an overnight thing because obviously it works.
I think 2024.
Yeah.
I think the start of 2024, Ultimate Dubs 2024, I reckon will be there. Don't get me wrong, optimistic that we'll get some bits done and maybe get it to a few shows in the colour that it's in. But I think,
Or primer.
Yeah, all primer. But I think 2024, babe. What's fun?
I found them all.
No, don't poke anymore.
Well, it doesn't matter, does it? It's fucking alright.
Yeah, okay. So what we're saying then, 2024?
2024.
Okay.
Yeah, it is a very long process to do this.
Do you think, I hope that we make more than one of these videos.
Yeah, it's a lot. The ambition is obviously to get it a full nut and bolt restoration on it. So literally I just wanted to show, me and my old man was obviously saying about putting it in an acid bath.
Yeah.
So what that'll do is when it goes into an acid bath, it gets rid of all the crap, all the filler, and then when it pulls out, you're going to have my caddy on the floor in bits. Nothing left. Probably that part of the exhaust because it's half eaten. But that's the route I want to go and say.
I think for our first YouTube video, this is going to be alright. We've done 10 minutes. I said we've filmed 10 minutes worth of footage. I think that'll be really good. Are you going to make a cup of tea then? Okay, so I think that's about it for today. Unless you want to add anything else, Tommy. It's a lot of work, but it's 100% doable, and well, I know I am, but
We're going to be involved in a lot.
we're very excited to do it.
Also, I'm going to be swapping the ignition coil back out back to the distributor as well. So I'll be doing that in the next couple of videos.
There we go. Well, that's our first YouTube video. If I managed to upload it correctly, and I'm not going to say subscribe and ding that bell yet, that's not cool. I think we'll get 2 views. I think Sanjay will watch it and Campbell. Right. Well, until next time, adios. Say bye.